I graduated Cary-Grove in 2016. I am a maintenance technician here, so basically any machine work that goes down, so hydraulics, pneumatics, electrical. I came here in high school and I was a junior and I was an intern. I interned for 6 months and then got hired on full-time for a setup technician, so it's setting up the machines to run their parts, and then slowly worked my way up to maintenance because it's more of my taste of type of work. But I was 17, so it was kind of just a test to see if I liked it or not, and I ended up really enjoying it because I grew up around working on cars with my dad, so I knew I liked working with my hands and fixing stuff. But once I got in here, it kind of just grew, and it was something I ended up really loved to do.
I started as an intern in high school through the work program at Cary-Grove. I went away to college for 2 years, came back over the summer break. We had just purchased this machine, and it was kind of a field I was interested in, metrology, which is the science of measuring. And I talked to the president, Keith Wagner, and he kind of came up with this plan for me and was like, do you want to be our CT scan technician? I accepted the job, and from there it's been great. Especially when I first started my internship here, I was always involved with like the automotive technology classes. So of course you're on like the forefront of working with your hands and technology, but not so much of what I do now. I took a couple of the Project Lead the Way classes, and that's where I kind of started all my CAD software knowledge. That's why I kind of wanted to go to a 4-year university, because I really liked working with CAD. It's something I do in my free time.
With robotics and the machines, as newer machines are developed, we're going to have to adapt to it and learn new technology. So that's why I think it's kind of a career that will never go away. Someone's going to always have to be there to fix it.
For me, it turned out pretty great. So I'd say just take every opportunity you get, run with it, apply yourself, and always push for more education. Even if it's not college, there's plenty of great companies out there that are willing to send you to school and trainings. And I mean, I'm going across the country for training, and you don't have to put yourself in, $100,000 in debt. You got to be willing to apply yourself and just really work hard for what you want to do with your life.
Don't be scared. That was my biggest thing. I was frightened to go out alone and go talk to random people at a job fair and see what could happen. I grew up and said, okay, I'll go, and then I met Wagner, and it worked out for the best.